How to apply for Student Finance Scotland. Step-by-step guide for free tuition and loans. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for Student Finance Scotland. Step 1. Gather your documents. Before starting the application, make sure you have the following: national insurance number, proof of identity, such as a passport or birth certificate, details of your university, college and course, your bank details, household income information if applying for maintenance loans or bursaries. Step 2. Visit the SAAS website. Head over to the Student Awards Agency Scotland or SAAS website at www.saas.gov.uk. This is where you will find the application forms and detailed guidance. Step 3. Register for an online account. If you're a first-time applicant, create an online account by providing your personal information. Returning applicants can log in using their previous credentials. Step 4. Complete the application form. Navigate to the My Account section and start a new application. Fill out the necessary details, including information about your course, household income, and personal information. Step 5. Apply for tuition fee support. All eligible students studying in Scotland can apply to have their tuition fees paid directly to their institution. Ensure you tick the box indicating that you want SAAS to pay your fees. And before we proceed, in order for you to receive $1 million free tuition fee, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 6. Apply for maintenance loans or bursaries. You can apply for a maintenance loans or bursaries if you qualify based on household income. SAAS will calculate the amount of financial support you are entitled to based on the income you provide. Step 7. Upload supporting documents. Upload any documents required for verification, such as household income or proof of identity. If you are unsure what to upload, SAAS provides clear guidelines on acceptable documents. Step 8. Submit your application. Once everything is complete, review the information carefully. Submit your application online by clicking the Submit button. You'll receive a confirmation email. Step 9. Track your application. After submitting, you can track the status of your application through your SAAS account. If any additional documents are needed, you'll be notified by email. 10. Receive your award notice. Once your application is processed, SAAS will send you an award notice confirming the amount of financial aid you will receive, including tuition and maintenance support. And that's it, folks. You've now got the knowledge to make your student finance journey as smooth as possible. Whether it is covering your tuition or helping with living costs, you are one step closer to making your educational dreams come true. Remember, education is the key to unlocking your full potential, and no financial barrier should ever stand in your way. You are powerful, you are capable, and the future is waiting for you to conquer it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to make your student life magical. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need further advice. I'm here for you. And as you embark on this incredible journey, always keep in mind, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Good luck, dream big, and keep shining. Until next time, stay magical.